Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can find that's new on the winter update. So obviously we have all of these items here. You can even select the present and the hot cocoa. Super cute. And if you see, there's actually a new item, which is this face mask over here, which I think is pretty cute. Also, the wings are over here if you're trying to find them. What else is new? If you can spot it, tell me in the comment section down below. Let's see if there's anything new on this area. I think that there isn't anything new there. The hats are there, and there's something new in the VIP area, which is this section here. We even have Elphaba's glasses, so cute, and we have this like really cool outfit. Also, we have a lot of new hairs and new makeup, and you can just check it out yourself when you play this game, of course. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.